The normal way to change a market would just be going to the top here and selecting from the drop down list whatever market you want to trade, change it towards, as well as the time frame. So that's really easy. The other way that you can do is by just starting to type on the actual chart that you're working on. So this chart's currently set on the NASDAQ 5-minute. Let's say we want to change it to the ES or the S&P, meaning S&P 500. You just start typing on your keyboard ES, put in the right contract month, expiry year, and let's say we want to change this to a 4-hour time frame, put 240 and an M there for minute, and then you hit enter. And then it would just simply change to the time frame in the market that you wanted to, right? You can also go right click, data series, and you can also add a new market here. This is a little bit of a long way. Let's go back to the NASDAQ, for example, and let's leave it on a 60-minute. And you can go and remove the ES, for example, and hit OK. Now that's just another workaround, but obviously a much longer way to do it.